Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off once it shows up. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you should see boot mode. Try that again. There we go. As you can see, sometimes when you let go of the power button, it might accept the first option, which is start, as you're trying to confirm it for some reason. So if you see the screen just automatically close when you let go of the buttons, start holding them once more. Now in here, you can navigate using volume buttons. So you normally start with the start option, and then scrolling up or down, I'm going to be scrolling down, you have a restart bootloader, which will take us back to here. We can enter recovery mode from here, power off the device, and we're back to start. Now whatever you have selected that you want to confirm, you can do so by using the power button. And because I had start selected, it will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.